In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a professional email newsletter using Wix. This process is perfect for those looking to engage with their audience, announce a new product, or simply keep your subscribers informed with the latest updates. So let's dive right in and walk you through each step. First off, you'll want to head over to your Wix account and log in. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. Scroll down until you find the Marketing section and click on Email Marketing. This is where all the magic happens. Now, moving on, what we want to do next is create a new email. You'll be presented with a couple of options here. You can either select from a variety of pre-designed templates, or if you're feeling a little more adventurous and have a clear vision for your email, you can start with a blank canvas and design your email from scratch. Either choice will allow you to make your email unique and tailored to your specific messaging needs. Once you've made your choice, it's time to get creative in the editor. This is where you can truly bring your newsletter to life. On the left side menu, you have some handy drag and drop elements at your disposal. You can add text boxes for your message, images to draw attention, and even buttons for actions like Shop Now or Learn More. Don't forget to add social media links to encourage your readers to connect with you further. Furthermore, customizing elements like the theme, fonts, colors, and background is essential to ensure your email aligns with your brand's aesthetics. Taking the time to do this not only creates a cohesive look, but also strengthens brand recognition with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. After you're satisfied with the design, head over to the recipient selection stage. Here, you can choose who gets to receive your shiny new newsletter. Wix allows you to pick from your existing contacts, labels, or even segments, making it super easy to target specific audiences or customers. The next important part of the newsletter is the subject line and preview text. It's what your audience will see first and significantly impacts your open rates. Make it catchy, relevant, and concise to draw in readers. And finally, be sure to set up your sender details so your recipients know exactly who this fantastic email is coming from. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can create an effective and visually appealing email newsletter that will help engage your audience and communicate your message clearly. Remember, the key to good marketing is combining creativity with strategic thinking. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tips on mastering your marketing game. Thank you for watching.